Good afternoon, welcome to another video from Barclay Motor Company of Hopwood, South Birmingham. Dark sapphire blue, Loire blue, paint code JBM, Jaguar, this pretty colour, XF, especially with the barley leather with the truffle accents. Beautiful Jaguar XF, 2.2 diesel, portfolio, top of the range, 62,000 miles, 2.2 diesel, automatic obviously. 62,000 miles, 9 services, cam belt replaced at 49,000 miles. What a beautiful, beautiful car. 8,995 seems far too cheap for a 2015 plate, done that mileage. Anyway, 19-inch alloys. They look like Avon tyres, so good quality tyres, matching all round. Daytime LED running lights, front park sensors, headlamp washers. Yeah, they're nice, those alloys. Oh, chrome power vents on the front wings, they're an upgrade. Got the little yellow dots in the wing mirrors, blind spot monitoring. It's got the space saver alloy wheel, reverse camera, rear park sensors, keyless entry, keyless start. Yeah, lovely. Avon tyre. Nice wheels, another Avon tyre, not stone chipped or tatty in any way. Beautiful, beautiful car. Yeah, it's got everything you want. This, yeah, barley leather, truffle accents. Jaguar fitted mats with the contrasting coloured edging. Electric seats, memory seats, heated seats, chilled seats. A nice leather steering wheel, multifunction. Got the paddle gear change, electric steering column, satellite navigation, DAB radio, Bluetooth, as I say, reverse camera, blind spot monitoring built into the wing mirrors. Yeah, what a nice thing. I mean, so clean. The condition of this car is superb. And we get some nice cars, but this is as nice as they get. Super clean in the boot. Got the 60/40 folding rear seats. Yeah, space saver alloy toolkit, wheel brace, alloy wheel locking key, jack, all present and correct. Car comes with 2 keys. Wow. Tyre pressure monitoring, another Avon tyre. 4 matching Avon ZZ1s. There's the buttons for the memory driver's seat, folding mirrors, electric windows. A beautiful 62,219 miles. Remember, heated seats, chilled seats, electric seats, memory seats. No wear to leather. Beautiful, beautiful example this. 62,000 miles, 9 services, cam belt and water pump at 49,000 miles. Now done 62,000 miles from new. Please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk. That's our website. There'll be plenty of XFs for sale on there. This video will be hosted on our YouTube channel, Barclay Motor Company 5243. If you head over there, you can watch this video over and over again, along with over 2,000 other car videos we produced over the last couple of years. You can thumb through those. There'll be lots of Jaguar XFs. If you would be so kind as to subscribe to our YouTube channel, then you'll get a little notification every time we upload a fresh vehicle into stock. You will be one of the first people to know we've just had that car in if you subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you very much for your time today. Goodbye.